Hey guys, welcome back. Miss B. Hanley here, and today we're here to talk about more punctuation, commas, dashes, and parentheses. First up, commas. Commas are the curved lines that you see at the bottoms of words. Commas are used to separate or join similar sentence elements. More specifically, you want to use commas to separate a coordinating conjunction, or to separate two independent clauses in a compound sentence. Next up is dashes. Dashes are those long lines that you see in between words in a sentence. Usually, the words are not meant to go together. Instead, dashes are used to create longer, more emphatic pauses than commas. You want to use dashes to indicate an abrupt change of thought or a dramatic interrupting idea. You can also use dashes before a summary statement.
Really quick thing about dashes. There are three different types. There's the M dash, the N dash, and the double hyphen, which we're not going to go into right now. The M dash is a longer dash, and the way you can tell the difference between an M dash and an N dash, an M dash is just slightly the length of an M, and an N dash is slightly the length of an N. M dashes are used when other punctuation might be awkward in a sentence. For example, instead of using a colon in this sentence, he is afraid of two things, spiders and senior prom, an M dash creates a more emphatic pause. He is afraid of two things, spiders and senior prom. An N dash is used to indicate spans of time or ranges of numbers, or N dashes can be used to denotate a connection. For example, when trying to connect words that are already hyphenated.
Last is parentheses. Parentheses are the smile of the smiley face, and you usually see them around certain words or sentences. You want to use parentheses to set off asides or explanations only when the information is non-essential or not relevant to the whole topic, but you still want to add it in anyway, or when the idea consists of more than one sentence. And that's about it for commas, dashes, and parentheses. I hope this helped you better understand how we use these punctuation marks in our sentence in our English language. If you're one of my students or you just want to know what's going on in our virtual classroom, please make sure to check me out on social media, Instagram, Snapchat, and my website. I'm going to put it on the screen here. If you want to see more grammar videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so you know when a new video comes out. If you have any questions, you can always comment and I will try to answer them. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in class. Bye!